Old school still got. I didn't know they were strong like that. At 40, I got a Sunday inch.
This she's gonna use this girl on the thing.
Huh?
So much love that. It's gonna be interesting every time new people get on the train. Yo, my gunner? My gunner? Oh, you're looking at wood heavy. A little more. A little more.
I'm going to the next house anyway.
Wait.
Look at that. Your boys ain't no joke. I want another one.
My man Sal right here.
My man Lou right here. Right here.
Lou's strong, he's taking
This is the
steroids.
strongest one.
No, but black girls, we got special Christmas. Mind my language. I ain't gonna talk like that no more.
Right.
I do nursing, I take blood.
It's alright.
I give my bed back. Right now, I'm a drunk nurse.
Oh, it's good. Black girls are funny. Black ladies are funny. They show me
Ain't nobody gonna touch nothing.
I got you. You're getting all this. This party on this in the way.
I'm not trying to make it hot.
No. Rebecca. I'll pull up. Right there. I got you.
You don't got me.
Yeah, Ma. I'll go for Wrangler. Yo, Lou, you tapped that, you said? My son, Lou! That's Lou right there. It's my son right there.
None of y'all can't stop the big
Lou, get that in, Lou. Right? Yo. Make sure you got it. Look at this one. Make sure you got it.
It's because you're going through something. You ain't gotta look like you're going through something.
My family, man, Barney, you to connect. I can't come from this.
Look at me like that.
Out.
Just looking at me. Damn.
That?
Fuck.
What? Basically, yeah.
Yo, Sal. Which one went out? Have we had made out? Oh. Yo, Andrew was about to bail the last second. Andrew was about to bail.
Yo, you are Andrew. Kill up the whole book.
I almost didn't call us. He almost bailed. I would have went to the boat and chill. No, it's better.
And then they go through next. They say,
I know, sir. leave like 30 minutes.
I can't believe she took this seat. That's
No, you should sleep. Let's watch it.